Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today video viewers, I will show you beautiful pebble stones on decor ideas. I will show you, so I hope you enjoy my videos. So friends, let's start today video. So viewers, my first idea is weavers. Friends, pebble plant pot. One of the easy ideas is decorating a simple plant pot with small pebbles. You can cover the outside of a plain pot with a smooth stone using a suitable strong adhesive. The natural texture of the stones give the pot of a beautiful earthy appearance. And green plants, you can have a simple piece of nature inspired decor, pebble flower art. Here's a fun idea for anyone who loves handmade wall art. Use flat pebbles to create flowers in small stones as a petal, and use one round stone in the center. You can add tiny mins for stems and small green stones on paint pebbles for leaves. Place everything inside a simple wooden frame and you have a beautiful piece of handmade wall decor. So viewers, next idea is stone candle holder. Friends, and viewers, so my ideas is viewers. Small stones can also be used to create a natural candle display. Arrange different size pebble around the candles or inside a decorative tray. For a more elegant look, combine stones with dry flowers, small branches, or wooden piece. The natural color of the stone create a warm and peaceful atmosphere. Cute pebble animals. And weavers, this is one of my favorite ideas. With a few simple stones and some deep paint, you can create adorable little animals. Around pebble can become a ladybug, while a smaller stone can be turned into bird, fish, cats, or even little owls. This is also fun project to do with children under proppers. So viewers, I hope you are enjoying my videos. So please